thick and homogeneous layer of clouds. Which we have to mentally remember the 917, which is the hard maximum that we have to respect. It is going to occur as soon as we are going above 20,000 feet. In telemetry of the strain gauges will be satisfactory. Remind in the flight test order the different conditions at which we could start mass. We have to increase the DLS in full because. Thank you anyway, Darren. So before if you start, it's normal preparation. It should be the case from an aerodynamic and engine quality standpoint.
The A380 will be the lead all the way down until established on final. At about 1,500 feet and on speed, we will give the Corvette the lead, and then we fly off the Corvette.
To let's say tease the response of the accelerometers.
The pilot flying will monitor VHF3. Pilot not flying will stay only on VHF1 and VHF2.
Devi freddo.
We did some extensive ground testing with this engine, and it was clear on the ground that the engine was ready for flight, and even more so when we took it into the air. The engine has the handling that we expected. It was well within all of the operating limits during the flight. We were very pleased with this first flight on the XWB.
Well, now that we've proved the aircraft and engine combination, we've got to move forward with further testing on the engine, and we'll do that over the next few weeks.